low ionization enthalpy. Generally, metallic compounds have low ionization enthalpy. What is ionization enthalpy? The energy required to remove one electron in outermost shell of the isolated gaseous atom is called ionization enthalpy. Laser, the ionization enthalpy of an atom have greater tendency to form ionic bond, right? Second one is high electron gain enthalpy. Non-metal have tendency to gain the electron. The energy required to adding the electron in isolated gaseous atom is called electron gain enthalpy. Greater the value of electron gain enthalpy of an atom have greater tendency to form ionic bond, right? And ionization enthalpy and electron gain enthalpy combine to form lattice enthalpy. They have required high lattice enthalpy. Ionic bond depend upon the electrostatic force of attraction. Therefore, they have higher value of lattice enthalpy to have greater tendency to form ionic bond. These are the example. Metal have tendency to generally lose the electron, so ionization enthalpy and positive ion in gaseous state. On the other hand, like noble halogens have tendency to gain the electron, strong tendency to gain the electron. Electron gain enthalpy, and when then positive and negative ion combine to form a solid lattice crystal is called lattice enthalpy, right? For example, Na form Na positive lost the one electron, and Cl gain the one electron to form Cl negative, and both are combined Na positive and Cl negative to form salt NaCl. They are general properties of ionic compound. First property is physical state. Ionic compound, we have already discussed that, exist in crystalline solid. This is because they have high electrostatic force of attraction between the negative and positive ions. Therefore, they exist crystalline solid. They have high electrostatic force between the cations and anion. Therefore, they have high melting and boiling point. Right? Whenever we are talking about the solubility of the ionic compound. Ionic compound are polar compound. They highly soluble in water and polar solvent due to dissociate into the ions, but it is insoluble in non-polar solvent like benzene, ethers, alcohol, etc. Electric conductivity. In solid state, ionic compound do not conduct the electricity, but in their molten or aqueous state, they dissociate into the ions. Therefore, they have strong conduct the electricity. It means it is good conductor of electricity. And the fifth one is ionic reaction. The ionic compound react in the form of ions. Therefore, known as ionic reactions. It is occur very fast. It is occur about 10 to the power minus 12 to 10 to the power minus 16 second. It means it is occur very quickly. It is not easily measured in laboratory, right? This is also known as double displacement reactions, right? It is occur very fast, therefore is also known as very fast chemical reactions. The chemical reactions of any compounds are characteristic of the constant constant ions, and are known as ionic reaction. It is clear. And our next video, we will be going to discuss the properties of the covalent compound. What is covalent compound and properties of the covalent compound. Thank you.